Now, an entrepreneur from Sussex believes he may have come up with a workable solution to the plastics crisis by creating a new system that breaks rubbish down into gases that can be used to generate heat and electricity without producing any toxic smoke.
Yes, the process is called gasification, and its inventor, ironically called Mike Burns, says it doesn't involve burning anything as such. The prototype is up and running on an industrial unit in Newhaven, and it's capable of powering hundreds of homes. Our environment correspondent Yvette Austin reports.
The sea of plastic brought into our living rooms by David Attenborough. What to do about it is all our responsibility. But one man from Sussex has been fighting the tide for years, developing a new technique to use it to generate heat and electricity for our homes.
This is our fuel. This is plastic bags that comes out of supermarkets. We all know what this is. Every day we go into the checkout and we have to pay 5p for it. This is our fuel. Over here we have some more fuel, which is plastic parts out of cars, bumpers, headlinings, trims, and all this is fuel that we can use to heat homes.
It's taken Mike 11 years and £15 million to get this far, a prototype, unlike any other waste incinerator.
Inside here we are slowly smouldering the plastic, taking out the unburnt hydrocarbons, which we call the synthetic gas. That synthetic gas then passes through into the secondary chamber where it's ignited, and we're using exhaust gas recirculation. We do not use air.
It's clean and it's green. There's no big burn and the exhaust gases go back into the system. What emissions there are a tiny fraction of a typical waste incinerator.
So from that synthetic gas, which is the energy, we create superheated steam at 380 degrees C, 60 bar. We feed it into our modern day steam expander or turbine, and that creates electricity and energy for homes.
There are now plans to build 6 of these pocket-sized plants across the southeast. Each will turn 500 kilograms of waste an hour into energy for 500 homes.
This unit fits inside this industrial unit, so why do we have to have big, massive incinerators that make our towns look ugly and massive chimneys, where we can have it right where the people need it and right where their waste is?
It's a revolutionary way of dealing with the waste we make. A drop in the ocean, perhaps, but Mike hopes if all goes to plan, it's a step in the right direction.
We can cross to Newhaven and speak to Yvette now. So, Yvette, will the new energy plant look anything like that other much larger one in town?
Well, no, not at all. The plan is for the new plants to be built over the next few years in the southeast, and is in contrast to Newhaven's current incinerator, which was opened in 2012 and takes in waste from across East Sussex and beyond. But many people will say that this technology is now way out of date, because with the new plants, not only will they be able to generate electricity which will power homes, but also the waste heat that's created will be used to warm people's homes, and that would be piped to those homes, most likely new housing estates built next to the new plants. It's been done on the continent for years.
Yvette, thank you.